Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson. So on today's lesson, I'm going to be taking you through the introduction to Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. And I am making use of Adobe Photoshop 2017. Okay, so you should as well get this one installed on your system so that you can follow me through. Okay, so when you open your Photoshop, after installation, when you open it, it will first of all display this first interface to you. These are some of the work I have done. That is why it is displaying here. But for you, if you've not done anything, nothing will be shown here. So what you have to do is to click on New. All right. Assuming you want to continue on the project you were doing, it will be here, or you click on Open. Okay, so I'll click on New. All right, this will take me to the canvas. All right, so on Photoshop we work with Canva, unlike Microsoft Word. Okay, Canva is the worksheet that you use on Photoshop, like as you type on A4 paper on Microsoft Word. So on Photoshop we use Canvas. So it will take you here. So you come to Print. On Print, this is where you have your canvas. Okay, we have the letter size of canvas, we have the legal, we have tabular. So all of these, there are different sizes of canvas, okay, that you use. So on this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of A4. You know the normal size of paper we use is A4, right? So when you come to the right hand side here is on millimeters. You can change it to pixels, you can change it to inches, whatever. And make sure your resolution is on 300, because when you use anything lower than 300, your picture quality will be low, it will not be sharp. Then you click on Create. So this is the work environment of Photoshop. Alright, so I'm going to be walking you through the icons that we have here. So we have file here, we have edit, we have image. So there are all these, we have different functions that enable us to do our designs. These are the icons that we use, or this one are the icons we use for our designs. Okay, like this first one is known as move to. You use it to move your objects, okay, around. Then the second one, we have rectangular marquee tool. We use it to cut objects. So that is that. As all these tools, all these icons, okay, as we walk through, we will be implementing them one after the other. Okay, so it's not as if you are going to make use of everything at once, no. So the more you work, the more you make use of all these icons. Okay, so here we have layer here. So we work on layer. Whatever thing you do on Photoshop, it is stored on that layer panel. Okay, and if you can't find your layer panel here, you come to Windows. Okay, look at it here. This is your layer. You can see it is checked. If I uncheck it, it will not be here. So you come back to Windows and click on it. This is your layer panel. All right, so also these tools icons, the tools icons are also here. Look at it here. If I uncheck it, it will disappear. So I check it back. So this is basically what you need to know about the introduction to the use of Photoshop. So when you are through working on your project, you close your program, right? So to close your program after you have finished working, you come here to file, then click on exit. Either you use here or you use this shortcut on your keyboard, Ctrl plus Q, or you click on this X icon to close your program. You understand? Okay, to save your project, you click here, file. As usual, you should know how to save your work now. Click on save as, then type in the name you want to use in saving it. Click on the location you want to save it to, then click on save, right? You click on save. I'm not going to save this. Okay, to close your program or to exit, you click on this X sign, or you come to file, or you click on exit, or you press this. Okay, then it will ask you, prompt you, save changes to the Adobe Photoshop document. That one, yes or no. Okay, I'm not saving. I'm not going to make any changes. I will just click on no to exit. Okay, this is how to save and to close your program. Okay, so on our next lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to import objects to Photoshop.